welcome back to my channel. So I have a review for you on this unit that I'm currently rocking right now, and it's by Alipearl. I'll be sure to leave all their information down below in my description box, as well as a direct link to this wig and all the info that you will want to know about this unit. So let's get right into this review. I will link a $10 off coupon code on the screen and in my description box as well. So the wig that I'm currently rocking is Alipearl's Deep Wave Short Bob in the density of 180%, and it's 14 inches long. I will show you guys an unboxing and all that on the screen. So y'all, it's almost 2 o'clock in the morning and I have had the longest day, but we're gonna get through this video, okay? So if I look tired, that's because I am tired. But anyways, let's hop right into this review. So I've been wearing this hair. Today is technically Wednesday, and I have been wearing it since Friday. So I've basically been wearing this wig for like a total of 6 days now, and I'm going to give you guys the entire spiel and a rundown on this unit. So first of all, this wig did come pre-plucked, but I did have to go in and pluck it more to my liking. I actually had to pluck it twice, and I still feel like it could be plucked a little bit more. That's how the unit is looking right now. I do have it in kind of like a flip over method, in the faux part being on my left hand side, so I have my hair flipped over to the right. The first thing I wanted to say about this wig is that I noticed that it's not high maintenance at all. I really just have to go in and refresh the curls. I'll show you guys how I did that in a clip right now. And basically, once you get the curls manipulated to your liking, all you have to do is refresh the curls with water. So like I said, this wig is 180% density. When you comb it out, oh my gosh, it looks so beautiful. Oh my gosh, this wig is definitely versatile, and this is one of those units that I would rock on an everyday basis, or like to the beach, basically anywhere, like special occasion, to work. This is a multi-purpose wig, and it's definitely OhSo approved. I would tell you that right off the rip. This wig does not shed hardly at all. It only sheds when you go in to do like manipulation to it. I do brush it every time I go in and refresh the curls, and I just love the texture of this wig. It can be really tamed. I feel like right now it's pretty tamed, but you can go in and fluff it out more, or like brush it out more if you want it to be like, if you want to rock that more fuller look. But this is the style I have been going for lately. When I first wore this wig, I had it in a middle part, and at first I wasn't sure about the middle part, but let's run that footage because that middle part was popping. I'm gonna have to do that again. I really love the way it looked in the middle part. The lace on this wig, I did bleach the knots, and I feel like it melts into my skin very well. I did go in and add a little bit of pressed powder to help, you know, it melt a little bit more into my skin. So I feel like the quality of the lace on this wig is A1. I have been sleeping in this wig. Like I said, this is day 6 of me wearing this unit, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like when I go to sleep at night, I don't really do much to it but just tie up like the perimeter of my hair to make sure that the lace stays adhered down. But other than that, I probably will like just clip it up, and in the morning time I just refresh my curls with water, and it's like really nothing. So I definitely recommend this wig because it's very low maintenance. And if you're the type of person who really likes to just spritz some water and like kind of like have that shake and go vibe, this is the unit for you. The shipping time was about 3 business days, so that's 2 thumbs up for that. And the texture of this particular unit is Brazilian. You can manipulate this wig any way to your liking. If you want to go in and you want to bleach or color this hair, you can do that. It's definitely, why I always want to say definitely in all my videos. I'm tired. One more thing that I wanted to mention about this wig that goes along with it being very low maintenance is that you don't really need to put much product in it. If you want, you can just wet it down and put a little bit of conditioner in it. I'm going to show you guys the products that I currently use on my curly hair, which is pretty much water and the Tresemme Bouncy Curls Flawless Curl, the Tresemme Flawless Curls Defining Gel. And this is how the packaging looks. It's probably about $5 to $6 at Walmart. Perfect. And if I need like a little bit more of a hold, or if I want to mold down my baby hairs, y'all know I've been using this Lotta Body coconut and shea oils wrap me foaming mousse. And this is how the packaging looks. And you get some more. This is very affordable too. I think it's like $4 at Walmart. So those are the only two products that I have been using in this hair, and I don't even use these products every day. For the most part, I just spritz it down with water and I brush it out with a powder brush, and she is good to go. Very, 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 very beginner friendly hair and low maintenance. I cannot stress that enough, how low maintenance this wig is. So if you're someone who wants to just fluff your hair out and roll, sis, she's it. I will link all of Alipearl's information down below in my description box. Sorry y'all that my energy is low because it's going on 2 o'clock in the morning and it's been a long day. Many events went on today. You know, shit was trying to kill my vibe today, but I kept going, okay? So I always gotta be extra, but I want to thank you guys for tuning into my channel, and let me know your thoughts down below. Have you tried out Alipearl? Are you a subscriber of mine? If not, you need to go ahead and become a part of the family. Turn on your notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video. I'm about to go wash my face and get ready for bed, okay? Because your girl, she tired. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you on my next video.